clearance and the weather. But we'll pick it up from here. We're going from Orlando exec at Showalter, well, it's now called Atlantic, up to Tui Juliet, another 26-minute flight, and we got a crosswind departure. Winds are coming this way, and so we want to keep that wing down, and so we have to turn the ailerons this way to keep that wing down from a right quartering wind. So that's a little different too.
Ground, good morning, Trailblazer 520 Atlantic Aviation with Echo FR2, Fort Myers, Romeo Sierra Whiskey.
Trailblazer 520 Orlando Executive Ground, clear to the Fort Myers Airport as filed. Correction, the Romeo Sierra Whiskey Airport as filed. Flight maintain 1,500. Expect 20 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 119.4. Squawk 1624.
Trailblazer 520 clear to Romeo Sierra Whiskey Fort Myers as filed. 1,500 on departure, 12,000 after 10 minutes. 119.4, squawk in 1624.
Those are 520, read back correct.
Okay. Securing the cabin. Instrumentation looks good. Let's make the call. Tower, Twin Cessna 69846, Alpha 1 ready.
Twin Cessna 69846, landing executive tower, hold short, runway 25, landing traffic.
Hold short 25 for landing, 6946. It is hot today. All right, boys. Let's get this show on the road.
Five Delta Charlie, say parking.
5 Delta Charlie, we're going to cusp.
Number 5 Delta Charlie, roger, turn right when able and contact ground point 4 exiting.
Ground point 4, if you don't mind, we'll take a reverse.
Approved. Number 69846, Atlantic Executive Tower, wind 18014, gust 26, fly runway heading, runway 25, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, 25, fly runway heading, 69846.
Executive Tower, citation 262, Bravo Kilo, visual 25.
Citation 262, Bravo Kilo, Orlando Executive Tower, wind 18014, gust 26, runway 25, cleared to land.
25, clear to land, 2 Bravo Kilo.
Cessna 624, extend your downwind, you'll be following a citation inbound on about a 6-mile final.
Following a citation on a 6-mile final, 654.
This wind is something else. We're gonna have to jerk her up here. Put that crosswind in. Come back on the controls. And get the gear up. That crosswind was no joke, boys and girls. Now we've,
Number 69846, contact departure, have a great flight.
over to departure, 69846, thanks for the help. And departure, 21 Cessna 69846, 255.
69846, departure, identity climb, maintain 2000, what's your on course heading to Roy's?
And 846 looks to be 351.
846, roger, ready to contact, get you on course shortly.
846, roger.
Well, 5 uniform, ready to contact, turn right heading 290.
Say again for the heading?
846, turn right. Sorry about that, number 5 uniform, right turn 290.
Right turn 290, bound 5 uniform.
Pitch 445, climb, maintain 4000 for traffic, and get you back low on the other side.
Climb, maintain 4000, pitch 445.
On the approach, Baron, 555 Juliet Echo.
555 Juliet Echo, Lindo.
555 Juliet Echo departed Lakeland, proceeding direct to Canby. Would like to pick up IFR Carolinas to North Ferry.
Where'd you file from, man?
Well, 1-800-WX briefly filed for 5,000.
I know, what airport did you file from?
Airport boots have filed from Canby, and we departed Lakeland, 555 Juliet Echo.
He's just going to send us all the way across, I guess.
So remaining 46, ready to contact, fighting 290, climb, maintain 5000.
290 and 5,000, 6946.
Okay. Call sign 55 Juliet Echo, full call sign?
November 555 Juliet Echo.
Coming around to 290 and going up to 5,000 feet.
4 Papa Zulu, verify squawk at 4227 and ident.
4227 identifying.
450 ready contact, altimeter 2998, maintain VFR.
299 VFR, thanks.
58 uniform flight 360.
360, bound by vehicle.
So May 846 cleared on course.
Cleared on course, 6946.
Bonanza 1553 kilo off of Lakeland Airport at Daytona Beach.
So May 846 contact, approach 120.15.
120.15, 6946.
Is it 1553 kilo?
Affirmative.
And approach, Twin Cessna 69846 out of 2.5 for 5.
Cessna 69846, Lando departure ready. 846, what's your on-course setting?
846 looks like it's going to be 350.
Roger.
And the on-course heading shifts because as they move from my next waypoint, it changes the on-course.
846, are you making a left turn back?
846 is heading toward 350.
Okay, I'm showing you about a 020. Frontier flight 1561, turn right heading 280.
Heading 280, Frontier 1561.
846, turn 30 degrees left.
30 left, 6946.
Frontier flight 1694, contact Jack Center 134.0, yes, take care.
134.0, thanks a lot, Frontier 1694.
Frontier flight 1561, turn right heading 355.
Heading 355, Frontier 1561.
Number 846, what's your heading now?
Heading 350. That's 350-469-846.
Okay, perfect, thanks.
That was my mistake. I didn't put my call sign on there.
Number 846, climb maintain 6,000.
6,000 for 6,000 for 69846. And it gets cooler and less bumpy above 5,000, above 4,000, I'm sorry, and that's exactly what has happened. Well, good afternoon to everyone. It's Sunday, the 15th of April, and today's the last day of Sun and Fun, and I'm heading home to Palatka. It's only 21 minutes from here, and glad to have you guys on board. Trying out some different setups on the cameras and the intercom, so we'll see how that works out. And again, your comments are welcome and encouraged.
Morning departure, Southwest 3081, 1.6 for 5.
Southwest 3081, Lando departure, radar contact, good morning, I'm going to maintain 8,000.
Update, Southwest 3081.
nice day for flying. And I just received word that the air show for Sunday is canceled.
Southwest 3081, turn right heading 280.
The air show at Sunday.
Southwest 3080.
Just getting that message.
Hills 948 with you out of 1400, climbing 5000, 190 on the heading.
That's up on the call sign, who was it?
Foothills 948.
Foothills 948, Lando, departure radar contact, climb and maintain 8000.
I maintain 8000, Foothills 948.
Southwest 3081, climb and maintain 16000.
On to 16000, Southwest 3081.
Attention all aircraft, effective segment 7 Eastern, valid until 1655 Zulu for Florida, Georgia, and coastal waters, available on IWAN supply service frequencies.
I will show you guys what that looks like, and it's not good. As soon as I level off.
Southwest 3081, turn right heading 355.
Right turn 355, 38.
Foothills 948, turn right heading 190.
Right turn 190. Say again, heading?
190, sir.
That's where we're heading now.
Okay, let's make it 200 then.
200 for Foothills 948.
Southwest 3081, contact Jacksonville Center 134.0, take care.
3040, Southwest 3081, take care.
So we know with the winds being as they are, we are going to be
Flash to Lizard, 22,000, 5000, one turn 220.
We're looking at 520, Lando, departure, climb maintain 8000.
8000, Southwest 520.
Foothills 948, climb maintain 16000.
I maintain 16000 for Foothills 948.
Trailblazer 520, climb and maintain 12000.
2000, Southwest 520.
give you a better picture of the instrumentation. All right, look. And approach Twin Cessna 6946. Approach Twin Cessna 69846. Approach Twin Cessna 69846.
69846, Linda.
Yeah, we were talking on 120.15 and lost the controller there.
Give me a sec.
And he's going to give us warning.
69846, contact Jackson on 118.6.
118.6, 69846. Jax, Twin Cessna 69846.
69846, Jack. Good morning. Advise you when you get the elevator weather for Palatka. Expect access to the visual crew. The cancel operation 2991. Just to maintain 4,000.
Listen to maintain 4,000, expect the visual, and we're expecting 17. We have the weather.
Got it.
And so we're going to leave 6,000 for 4,000. So when you're flying IFR, it is not rare, but it's not common that you will lose your contact with an ATC either because you fly out of range or because of distortion or because of whatever the reason is. And in that case, you want to know either from your sectional or from your previous, whoever you were talking to, go back and try the ones that you were talking to previously, or look at the sectional chart and you'll see the large section that says who the controller is for that area. And then lastly, of course, you can go to any of the flight service freaks and try them there. Okay, we are only 30 miles out. We got about 11 minutes to go.
We need 4 Papa Zulu, Jack's approach 118.17. Take care.
1817, have a good one, 44 Papa Zulu.
Twin Cessna 846, contact Jack's approach 118.17. Take care now.
118.17, thank you, and have a happy Sunday.
You too, take care.
Approach Twin Cessna 69846 out of 5 for 4.
Air 698-846, Jax approach, good morning. Jax actually Gainesville, altimeter 2991.
2991, 6946.
30 Romeo approach.
The altimeter,
30 Romeo 127.77.
the altimeter is dropping as we speak.
Thank you, have a great day. Great 46, going to maintain 3,000.
Down to 3,000, 6946.
Great 46, you're planning on doing the visual approach this morning?
Visual to 17.
Thank you. Sir 410 Tango Whiskey, contact Jacksonville Center on 125.37. Great day. And what's your request, November 0 Tango Whiskey? Zero Tango Whiskey, my weather radar doesn't go out that far, but if you call center on that frequency I gave you and make your request with them, they'll probably have more information for you.
308, 1.7, climb 4.
Blue Street 6308, Jacksonville departure, IDAT, climb maintain 1010,000.
Items coming at you 1010,000, Blue Street 5308.
Air 96 Juliet, contact Jacksonville approach on 118.6. 669 Golf Juliet, approach 118.6.
18.6 for 669 Golf Juliet.
Blue Street 5308, radar contact 2 miles northeast of the Gainesville Airport.
We're descending a little too much. We're at 3,200 feet, we're going down to 3,000.
Blue Street 6308, clear truck Taylor.
And approach 6946, any restriction on direction?
84690, say that again?
Any restriction on direction, or we'd like to go toward the west a bit.
846 maintain 2,000, and you want that heading right there that you're on?
No, we're trying to do left traffic for the 170.
847, just fly the present heading, maintain 2,000, approach IFR cancellation in the air, this frequency, or the field and site with the visual approach.
846 down to 2,000, and we'll report with you when we're ready to cancel.
Blue Street 6308, Jet Center 125.37.
2537 today, Blue Street 308.
There was that cross-check altitude again, and that was because of bumping. We're 13 miles out. There's the airport. I don't think she got what I was saying. So we'll just go ahead and cancel with her. And approach 69846 has airport in sight. We'll go ahead and cancel with you now.
846 IFR cancellation is received. No observed traffic seen in the field. Change advisory is approved. Have a great day.
846, thank you.
Airport Papa Zulu, contact Gainesville Tower and 119.
6, visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 27 Celsius. 2.21 Celsius. Altimeter 2,991. Remarks. Density altitude 1,500. Palatka Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1509er Zulu weather. Wind 180 at 18. Peak gust 26. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 27 Celsius. 2.21 Celsius. Altimeter 2,991. Remarks. Density altitude 1,500. Palatka Municipal Airport. Automated weather observation 1510 Zulu weather. Wind 180 at 17. Peak gust 26. Visibility more than 10. Sky condition clear below 12,000. Temperature 27 Celsius. 2.21 Celsius. Altimeter 2,990.
And we're at 2,500 feet. We're cruising along at 27. We're at 2,500 feet. We're going to stay there until we cross over so that we can pick up The left downwind for 17. And time to make a call. Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna is 7 miles to the south. Landing 17, Palatka. Left traffic, 17, Palatka. And we're starting down now. You can see well, maybe you can see the airport is ahead of us. And we're gonna clear this way a bit before we enter the left. And Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna entering left downwind for 17, Palatka. I wouldn't think too many people would be out here today. It's windy and about to get worse. We're going to make this a wide pattern, and generally for twins and light jets you have to make wide traffic for the pattern anyway, and it helps you to clear the area. Coming around to 35. And Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna midfield, left downwind, 17. There's our 1,200 feet. Now let's slow her down a bit. Back up on the power. And come on around. Have to be a little more power because we don't want to descend too much just yet. Now we're comfortable. And Palatka traffic, Twin Cessna, left base, 17, Palatka. And let's do our landing checks one more time. There's 17.
500.
500 turning final, that is perfect. And gear down, flaps down. Coming across the fence, 100 knots. That's good. Gotta come back on a little power because this is a shorter runway. My goodness, that was really good.
Traffic not available.
not trying to pat myself on the back, but damn, that was good. Okay, so even the blind pig finds a corn every once in a while. And let's clean it up. It was a good landing, but I didn't call final. Well, partially because nobody was in the pattern, but I still should have done it. So that's my bad. Good landing, but bad on procedure. Well, thank you guys for flying along. And I will see you on the next flight. Should be shortly. I got to get back up to DC. And thanks for watching.